Peugeot 207, it's my daughter's 207. Windscreen washer pump, it's not working, so she said there's definitely plenty of washer fluid in, so it could be a few different things. It could be starting from here, could be switch here on this little stalk, could be wiring, could be relay, could be fuse, could be pump. Now the most likely I would say would be fuse, then would be pump, then would be switch, then wiring, so on. So to check it, one of the easiest way to check, actually first thing, would be to check the fuse. So I'm going to check the fuse. It's going to be underneath the bonnet in that corner there. So let's check that. Now pop this cover off. You got a few little clips around, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to unclip it, use 2 hands, which I couldn't do with filming. So anyway, plastic cover off. That's by the near side headlight. There's also the cover of the headlight off for whatever reason. Anyway, fuse F3, 765 F3, there it is. So let's check that fuse. Long nose pliers. Aha! Right, the fuse has disintegrated. So I got another part of the fuse stuck in there. There it is, that little shiny bit. So I'm just going to try pull that out. There it is. So that will be our culprit. So I'm going to get another fuse. It's one of these mini fuses, 10 amps, and pop it in and check it. And here I got my little selection of fuses. It's always handy to have a nice selection, and to get a box like this, it's not expensive at all. So I got another, try to clear that. It's a 10, there you go, that's better, 10 amp. You can see, same size as the old one. So I'm going to pop this one in and let's have a try. I'll try to put link for replaceable fuses in the comments after the video. Just before we carry on, that's the mini fuse that we need. There are also other fuses in cars. These are the standard fuses, so this will be standard fuse. So yeah, it's just to clarify, so this is a standard 10 amp fuse in size, and this is mini 10 amp fuse. You can see the difference. So it's always good to have a selection of various fuses, especially if you have more than one vehicle. So let's pop this one in. Right, back to the car, let's pop it in. Now the reason why fuse blows, sometimes it's a fault down the line, maybe burned out pump motor or something, or whatever. Sometimes it's just fuse material gets weakened up over the time, over the years, and that's why it doesn't work anymore. So let's try this now. The correct key. There you go. It works. Now, if that didn't work, what we'll have to do is follow our washer fluid bottle, which goes all the way down to the front here underneath the offside light, which means we'll probably have to take either bumper off or wheel arch liner to access the pump. Luckily we don't have to do that, so click this back cover back on. Job done.